What's up, guys? It's Aaron from How To's by Bros, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do a backflip on ground TikTok. So obviously this isn't a TikTok video, this is a YouTube video, but just sneak that keyword in just for the views. So what we're going to do is we're going to teach you how to do a backflip, and I'm going to do it without tucking because I have a microphone. I'm not going to try to tuck while I have a microphone in my hand. But I do need to get another microphone. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I haven't made a tutorial in a long time, besides like little videos. I haven't made like a backflip tutorial in a while, so hope you guys enjoy it, and let's dive right into it, guys. So, first of all, to do a backflip, a backflip is 90% mental, I would say, 95% mental. So to get over that hurdle of mental, you just got to get over the fear of doing the backflip. The skill, it really isn't that hard. The skill of actually doing the backflip, you can do it on the if you can do it on the trampoline, that's good. Definitely when you're doing it on the trampoline, make sure you tuck and make sure you can do it standing, and then bring it out on a mattress. Do it on a mattress or a bed if you have one. I mean, most of the time you can get some soft stuff or a bed and bring it outside, or you can do it in the house, but make sure you don't hit your head or something, or hit the desk or something. But super easy, guys. The backflip is an easy trick. It's just going to take a little bit of practice and you're good. Honestly, it's so simple, it's so easy, but it's just the fear. The first time you do it, first few times you do it, it's going to be scary. But once you get over that fear, it's like nothing. So honestly, there's no really too much of a secret to do it. Obviously you can go to the side and do like a backwards cartwheel, kind of like, so you can kind of go like this and then keep going more and more vertical. And obviously use two hands. I'm not going to go into it right now because I have the mic. But really simple. You kind of just do a backwards cartwheel or a sideways back handspring, whatever you want to call it. And you just keep going more and more vertical till you're doing a back handspring. Once you can do a back handspring, you can pretty much do a backflip. You're just going to put a little bit more effort into it, and you're pretty much good to go. So guys, really simple to do, really easy. I promise you, you're gonna get over. Just tuck and just do it and just try it. Obviously, if you're really scared, and don't just try it right off the bat on ground, on grass. Make sure you do it on a trampoline standing first. Without bouncing, no bouncer. And then on a mattress, and then obviously you can do it in a gym as well, and you can get somebody in a gym to spot you. Maybe they have they probably have somebody observing the gym, so you can get somebody to spot you and get that going as well. So it's really simple, guys, really easy. I'll show you the backflip, a few of them. So that's without grabbing my knees. It doesn't look as good or whatever, but it doesn't matter. I'll do another one this way. So simple, guys. As long as you're decently in shape, you're gonna get around. As long as you can jump, as long as you can being athletic does help, obviously. But thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys later. God bless. Be sure to click the link in the description for my story. I share my story on what God's done in my life. I love sharing that. I really hope you guys check it out. The link will be in the description. There'll be a bunch of links in the description as well, so check those out, whatever you're interested in. God bless.